Metal roof panels vibrating during strong winds can seriously mess with your piece, but there are some chill fixes to stop that annoying noise and protect your roof. So, first off, you want to check those foam closures. Those little guys fill gaps between the metal panels and the roof deck, stopping air from rushing through and making the panels shake. Make sure the foam closures are thick enough and still in good shape, because if they're worn out or missing, your roof's gonna rattle like crazy when the wind picks up. Next, look at your fasteners, like screws or nails. If they're loose or rusty, tighten or replace them with high-quality ones designed for metal roofs to keep everything locked down tight. Another trick is to add extra fasteners where the vibration is the worst. Just don't overdo it so you don't damage the panels. Also, seal any visible gaps or seams with a flexible sealant made for metal roofs to keep the wind from sneaking in and causing movement. If you notice certain panels are bending or flexing a lot, consider adding metal clips or braces underneath to give them extra support. And hey, always inspect your roof after a storm to catch any problems early before they get worse. Finally, if you're not comfortable doing this yourself, hiring a pro to inspect and reinforce your roof is totally worth it to avoid future headaches. One of the biggest issues with metal roof panels vibrating during strong winds is using the wrong type of fasteners, which can cause loosening and noise. Fix this by switching to corrosion-resistant screws made for metal roofs. Another common mistake is ignoring foam closures or using cheap ones that wear out fast. Make sure to replace these with good quality foam closures that fit snugly between panels. The third problem is skipping regular maintenance, so small gaps and loose panels go unnoticed until the wind makes them a big problem. Setting a schedule for seasonal checks and quick repairs keeps your roof solid and quiet. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle metal roof repairs and upgrades, making life easier when you need real help. Plus, it's a great spot for contractors to connect with people looking for their skills, so everyone wins when it comes to getting quality work done right.